大自然，大自然，大自然。In ancient times, 大 was written as it looks like a standing person is showing his strength. So the original meaning of 大 is big. The extended meaning is deep degree. In ancient times, 字 was written as it refers to a nose. We point to our nose to represent ourselves. So 字 means self. In ancient times, 然 was written as the upper right part is a dog. The upper left part refers to the meat. The bottom refers to the fire. This character indicates cooking the dog meat. So the original meaning of 然 is burn. This meaning is no longer used anymore. In modern Chinese, 然 means soul, like that. 大自然，大 means big, 自 means oneself, 然 means like that. So 大自然 means nature. 冬天，大自然穿上了新衣服。